Hi there, Justin here again from Brickright. So, we are still on the landscaping job down in Cardiff, and we noticed through doing the job there's a bit of standing water on the ground when it rains. So we spoke to our client, and between us we've decided to put a soakaway in. So have a look down there, Brad. That's what we've dug. So what we've done, we're going through for a 3 metre soakaway. 3 metres. We've dug, I think it's 3.3 metres wide, and we've dug 1.3 metres deep. So we've got the crate system. So if you spin round and show them the crates up there, like by the JCB, then that's what we've got going in. So we'll show you this in another video, but we're excavating it, so we thought we'd show you and share it with you. So we've dug this, so we're going to put the crates in, and then we're going to wrap that in a terrain membrane, and then we're going to, the perimeter of it, the bottom of it and the top of it, so encasing in it will be clean pebble chippings. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And then on top of that, if you just scope around here like that, in and amongst the jumble of the wires, while on top of the soakaway we're putting in there, what we've got is another pipe coming across here. What we're going to do is we're going to put a back inlet gully in here. A back inlet gully, for those who don't know, it's a gully like a toilet. It's got water at the bottom of it, like the bottom of your toilet, like the U at the bottom. So the reason for that is when the silt comes down the drive and all the muck comes down the drive, rather than it filling up that soakaway with silt and, you know, making the soakaway not perform very well, what will happen is the silt will collect in the bottom of the gully. Now before we leave here, we'll give our client some maintenance to do that it's imperative that he does, and once every couple of months get your hand down with a glove and just clean the silt out the bottom of that gully, and that'll stop the soakaway silting and it'll keep it working. So I think that's a pretty good idea that we've come up with to do that. And then we've got eco drains coming across here to connect to that gully to go into the soakaway, so that is taking the whole driveway. And then there was standing water. There was standing water in here as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to fill this as like a traditional soakaway, and we're going to wrap this with weed membrane. So weed membrane will go all the way up here, all at the sides, and then we're going to put clean chippings in there then. And then we're going to put some perforated pipe in here, and then we're going to put a T-piece coming off this gully, so that if this does fill up and overflow at any point, then it's got a backup of being able to go into that giant hole down there. So we thought we'd show you, but we've levelled the garden off now. Look, if you just go around there. So let me get around here, look. So we've levelled the garden off by here now, just to get that ready, get surfing. So we've got that sorted. So we're getting there. So we'll show you the walls again when they're all set and we've got them all sorted and finished. So just thought we'd share it with you. So there will be more on this. We'll show you this as we go through. So any comments on it, anything you can help us with, the usual, then please do, because a lot of the comments coming through from you guys are brilliant. So really helpful towards us, so we appreciate that. And if you could subscribe to the channel, we'd all appreciate that as well. So it's Friday, we're going to go home, we're going to put our feet up, we're going to have a chill out over the weekend, and maybe treat ourselves to a beer and some food, and we'll be back again on Monday. So take care, all the best, see you then, cheers.